Welcome, marketing enthusiasts, poised to plunge into the Google Ads universe and elevate your campaigns? Today we're demystifying the fundamentals, enabling you to craft ads that attract clicks, conversions, and results. We'll traverse through campaign structure, targeting and bidding, campaign management and optimization, ad types, compliance and policies, and learning resources. Beginning with the rudiments: campaigns, ad groups, keywords, and ads. Grasping how these components interplay is critical for shaping effective campaigns. Moving on, targeting and bidding. It's all about serving your ads to those most likely to convert. We'll delve into various targeting techniques, bidding strategies, and budget setting. Remember, constant vigilance and adjustments are key to maximizing results. Select an ad format that resonates with your goals and audience for maximum impact. Abiding by Google's rules is crucial for seamless ad operation. Craving more? Google provides free courses and certifications to help you master Google Ads. Set to commence crafting winning Google Ads campaigns? Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment, analyze, and continually optimize for enhanced results. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow marketers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more marketing insights and tips. Until next time, happy advertising. On-screen text, like, share, subscribe for more marketing mastery.